שבאתם.
תודה לך שבאת. לילה כניגה, פליז.
You know, it's thank you. You know, it's been you know, it's a real pleasure and it's a real honor to be able to do the thing that we love. We love doing this. I think you can see that, right? We love.
Yeah.
But and honestly, we consider ourselves so fortunate. We really do. We get to do the thing that we love. Just that simple thing is so amazing. But we can only do it because of you. That's the only reason we can do it. And so it was a pleasure. It was a pleasure to play in your beautiful country. And more importantly, it was an education for us to play in your country. Thank you for coming. Thank you for being open. Thank you for showing your love. Israel.
Awesome!